Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience. Hi everyone, today we have with us Thorsten Feichtner, who is the Managing Director of the Excellence Cluster at the University of Würzburg, and the Excellence Cluster is called CTQMAT. Hi Thorsten.
Hi Panotti,
How
nice
are
to talk
you?
to you.
Yeah, it's lovely to speak with you. I'm looking forward to speaking with you. All right, let's start. So, to begin with, could you explain your research in super simple words to us?
Okay, so my research has to be true nothing to do with the cluster which I'm managing, because I'm doing research in the field of nano-optics, and I'm researching on light-matter interaction, because this is very important for sensing and, of course, for single photon sources, which might be important in the future. And I do research on optical antennas. And these are small metallic nanoparticles which are designed to couple to light and then to reroute or make them usable on very small volumes.
Okay, that's interesting. Awesome. And what kind of followers expect in the week that you will be curating the Real Sci Nano Twitter account?
Okay, of course, I want to tell everybody how awesome optical antennas are. And of course, I will begin first how I got to work on this topic, because my path to this topic was not really straightforward. Then, of course, I will explain what optical antennas are. So some physics, some fundamental physics about them. And then, of course, we go to the more practical topics. And I will tell, of course, what the fundamental, the basic materials for optical antennas are, how to tool them, how to mill geometries out of them by means of ion beam milling or electron beam lithography. And of course, we also want to have some forecast how these geometries behave. And therefore, I will also explain how to make some numerical simulations on optical antennas. And apart from this just nanoscience related topics, I also want to argue a little bit about why we have to be so visible as researchers and how to get visible. But this podcast here is a great opportunity to be visible.
Yeah, absolutely. Wonderful. So we have a fully packed, attractive program waiting for us when you're curating the Real Sci Nano account. Thank you very much for speaking with us. And we look forward to your time on Real Sci Nano.
Thank you too.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.